Hi, I'm Matt at KJP Select Hardwoods. Thanks for tuning in to our shop progress update. So we are in the new shop right now. We've moved over our two slab flattening mills over there. We've got our glue up stations that are up and running now. Of course, the new dust collector. It's slowly but surely starting to happen. It takes a while to move a whole shop into a new space. Over on this side, we've got our sliding table saw, which we're going to be using to cut all the panels for our retail customers and any work, of course, that we have to do. That's going to flow into our plywood area. So we're still putting up the racking. There's still lots to do in here, but this is where our retail shoppers are going to shop. It's going to be much better organized, easier to find stuff. We're going to have a lot more pre-cut pieces for you. Over here, you can see into the new store is where we dropped this 12-foot hole. So we're doing another one straight across there. So we're going to have the 3 bays all connected with these big holes. We have one more hole to go actually after that too. We're going to be taking over our old shop. So in here, this is all going to be new retail space. So we're going to have lots of lumber, all the stuff that people know us for. It's all going to go to retail. So here it is. This is the retail store as you know it, and that's going to be the whole from this side of it. So this is going to really open everything up. We're pretty excited for all the changes that are happening in the next 2 weeks. Then, of course, later this summer. Thanks for checking in. Enjoy your woodworking.